we're done with the initial wipe down. As you guys can see, we haven't touched the seats. That's what we're moving on to next. Vacuum, first vacuum, wipe down. Just to get things going, see what I need to agitate, see what I need to extract. The vacuum will tell you all that stuff. So as you guys can see, there's some stains right yonder, right there, and down yonder. So I gotta get rid of that. Hopefully it doesn't take too long and it's not too hard. We're gonna start off with the drill brush first before I even get the seats wet. I don't know what was stuck in here, but it's almost all out. There we go. This right here is very stained, like on this car. You want to put a little bit of super clean around the area. Don't worry, super clean 10 to 1, diluted perfectly for an interior, so it won't damage anything. And then you get a drill brush, soft bristle brush. It ain't gonna damage nothing. Closer. Your rag. Wipe it down. See. Look at that, much better. I'll show you guys the before and after later. I'm about to start dressing the vehicle now. Alright guys, so before I already did the wipe down. Seats are drying now. Wipe down's complete. Show you guys the back. Well, that's gonna dry and it's gonna look good. The rest, it's pretty good now. So now, after that, we're gonna move on to the dressing. Silk Shine dressing by Chemical, guys. You guys know the drill. See if I can put my camera right there. Yeah, that'll work. Now you don't want to use this on leather. You only want to use it on the trim. Black pieces, for example, like this. Gonna give it a nice wet look, but it's not oily at all. This is water based. Show you guys, so it leaves a nice shine. Check it out, looks good. But you don't put it on leather though. That's one thing you don't want to do. About to clean up in here, put it in there real quick. Papi, vente para acá. El carro está chuco. Sí, es todo.